Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to hide Siri suggestions from showing in iPhone or iPad search list. So without further more delay, let's begin. So whenever we open the search option, now you can see here, we used to get our Siri Suggestions applications. So you can see here. So in order to hide the Siri suggestion from showing in iPhone or iPad search list, what you need to do is just open the settings and just scroll down below, and now you will see here Siri option. Just click on it. Now below you will see here under the suggestion, suggest apps before searching. So by default this option will be turned on, so just turn it off. Now just minimize it and let us click on the search option again. You can see here the Siri suggestions is not showing up anymore in our iPhone or iPad search list. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily hide Siri suggestions from showing in iPhone or iPad search list very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.